Sa birthday?
Ako nag-greet.
Ay, punta ka sa...
Kan Ma'am Miriam lang, at kan Sergio.
Uwi mo sila.
Hindi lang sila mga kilala. Okay. Our guest speaker, Mr. Ramil Marianito.
Nalog na sinda na.
Punta ka? Kasi madilim na rin.
Our confirming officer, Mr. Rainier Yanson. Madam VP, Ma'am Ulante, my classmate and our principal, Miss Violeta Heba, our school administrator, my senior high school faculty and part-time instructors, junior high school faculty and staff, parents, and dear graduates. First of all, I want to thank you graduates for allowing PCI to be a part of your journey. Your journey to this day has been made possible by many people. So let us give thanks to each and every one of them. First, to your teachers who have encouraged, inspired, and challenged you to do your best.
Kanina nakita dyan si Bud. Ay.
To the office and support staff
Asan na?
who have assisted
Ay, si
you
Bud.
in your daily needs.
Puntahan.
And third, to your family,
Uto oh.
support has been made
Kita mo yan sa kawayan banda. Sabi daw ni mama. Okay?
as we witness
Baka yung
your
hanap ko
fruitful
ng
journey
mama.
come to end
Nakita ko na naman.
Alas, nakita
another
mo.
day awaits
Nakita ko
you.
na naman. Ano sabi niya?
Comes the next phase of
Sasabihin ko lang kay
your
mama. Nandito
your
lang.
college.
Ituro mo lang. Ituro mo lang.
Where you will encounter not only lots of challenges and pursuits, but also lots of opportunities and chances. Here comes the time that you will apply all the knowledge and wisdom you gain from all the trials, nights of study,
Ba't
all the classroom experiences, and hard work that you've done. To those who excel tonight, prove to us, your mentors and PCI management, that you are worthy of the high honors you receive. But after 4 years, sasabihin sa akin ni may tita, may mga graduates tayo ng school year 2024 na mga 10 or more cum laude. O di ba ang saya? Tapos sasabihin niya, magawa po tayo ng ng tag at nang may sakit na ng sakit. For all to know na mga matatalino daw ang mga taga-PCI. Pero huwag mawawala ng pag-asa yung mga hindi nakakuha ng medal. Hindi lang sila ang pwedeng mag-succeed. Kayo din, magsikap lang at magsisikap.
kita mo doon ang plug?
Lastly, gusto kong pasalamatan ang mga
Harin
ang gabos na mga
harani tapos
magulang
harayo.
sa pagpaeskwela sa mga aking lindo sa BCI at sa pagtitiwala at pagtiwala nindo sa BCI na madagdagan ang kaaraman kan sa inyong mga aki, magtukduan na maging responsable kag magkaiguan ng pangarap sa buhay. And to you, dear graduates, dream big. Walang bayad ang mangarap. Dati nga,